Hello everyone, my name is Julia. My CEO Rune and I have made a quick video on how to navigate in the Koolmesh app. This is a step-by-step guide on setting up and using the Koolmesh app. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create your lighting network, add devices like luminaires, switches, and sensors, and set up groups and scenes. Let's get started. First, download the Koolmesh app from the App Store or Google Play and install it on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and make sure Bluetooth is enabled and you're close to the devices you want to connect. Tap Create Network and give your network a name. This is your private area where all devices will be connected. You can set a password to make sure only authorized people can make changes. When you have created the network, then please create the project. Most cases, the project name could be the address or project name. With your network created, it's time to add devices. Tap the plus icon to scan for available Koolmesh-compatible luminaires. When they appear, select the ones you want to add, give each a name, and confirm. You can also add wireless wall switches, daylight sensors, and motion detectors. The process is a little different for wall switches. Those you will find entering settings and then choose between push switches, touch panels, or self-powered switches. Groups allow you to control multiple devices at once. For example, you could have a group for the reception area, another for meeting rooms, and one for the kitchen. Tap Create Group, select the devices you want, and save. Scenes let you change the lighting mood with a single tap. For example, you might create a presentation scene with dimmed lighting, or a cleaning scene with maximum brightness. Tap Create Scene, set the light levels for each device, and save it with a name. Remember that Scenes is both used for wall switches, sensors, and timers. You can automate your lighting using schedules and sensor triggers. Set times for scenes to activate automatically or link them to motion or daylight sensors. For example, if you have a staircase where you have sensors in each luminaire, you can let all of them be masters, and the one there, get the trigger first, will give the signal to all the other units. I recommend always that you write down the functions there is required, and then you enter the settings and create the groups and scenes. Please remember to save every time. Once your devices, groups, and scenes are set up, test them to make sure everything works as planned. You can always adjust brightness, color, or settings directly from the app. That's it. You've just set up your Koolmesh lighting system. With this setup, you can enjoy smart, wireless lighting control that's flexible and easy to manage. For more advanced features or troubleshooting, contact Lumega for paid support across Europe.